Al-Quran translation, word by word. Today I would like to study Suratul Fatiha. Let's get started. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ means we seek refuge. Billahi with Allah. Minash shaytanir rajim. Min meaning from. Shaitan means Satan. Rajim meaning cursed. The translation of this sentence: we seek refuge with Allah from the cursed Satan. Suratul Fatihati Makkiyah. Suratul Fatiha revealed in Makkah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismi. Ismun meaning name. Bismi, in the name. Allah is the name of Lord. Allah is the name of our sustainer, our creator. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahman meaning most gracious. Ar-Rahim meaning most merciful. The translation of this sentence: Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Hamdun meaning praise. Alhamdu meaning all praises. Lillahi, be to Allah. Rabbil Alameen. Rabb meaning Lord, Rabb meaning sustainer. Al-Alameen. Alamun is singular. Alamun means world. Alamina is plural. Alamina meaning whole world, universe. The translation of this verse is: all praises be to Allah, the sustainer of the universe. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. The most gracious, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki meaning owner, master, king. Maliki Yawmiddin. Yawmun meaning day. Din meaning judgment. The translation of this verse is: Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka, Iyyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. You alone we worship. Meaning, we worship you, not others. Wa Iyyaka, wa meaning and. Iyyaka, you alone. Nasta'in. Nasta'in meaning we ask for help. The translation of this verse is: you alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Ihdi. Ihdi meaning guide, na us. Guide us as-siratal mustaqim. Sirat meaning path. Mustaqim meaning straight. Guide us to the straight path. Guide us to the straight way. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. Sirat meaning path, sirat meaning way. The way of those. Alladhina meaning those. Siratal ladhina, the way of those, the path of those. An'amta alayhim, upon whom. Alayhim, upon whom. An'amta, bestowed your favor. So we can say the way of those, the path of those. An'amta alayhim, upon whom you bestowed your favor. Or you can say the way of those whom you have favored. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim. Ghayril, not the way of those, not the path of those. Maghdubi alayhim, who earned your anger. Alayhim waladdallin, nor of those who went astray. Siratal ladina, the path of those, the way of those, an'amta alayhim, upon whom you bestowed your favor. Or you can say, the path of those whom you have favored. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim, not the way of those, not the path of those who earned your anger, and nor of those who went astray. Maghdub alayhim, who earned your anger. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim, by this word is indicated the Jew, Yehudi. Wala dallin, who went astray. Who went astray? By this word is indicated the Nasara, Christian. Sadaqallahul aliyyul azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.